What if your interview manager asks, "Can you explain how chat models make AI tools more efficient?" How would you answer? In today's tough tech market, where software roles are shrinking and competition keeps rising, knowing how to explain frameworks like LangChain clearly can help you stand out. So, let's break it down in a way that's not just technical, but also something you could confidently explain in an interview. Chat models, your first core component in LangChain. Alright, let's talk about our very first core component in LangChain, chat models. What is a chat model, really? Now, the official definition says a chat model is a component designed to communicate in a structured way with LLMs. Sounds fancy, right? Here's the translation. It's like having a universal remote that works with pretty much any large language model out there. OpenAI? Works. Hugging Face? Works. Anthropic? Yep. That mysterious model you found on GitHub at 3 a.m.? Probably works too. Basically, it's the Swiss Army knife for talking to AI.
Being able to explain this analogy during an interview shows you understand both the tech and how to simplify it, a valuable skill for any role.
Why not just call the APIs directly? Well, you could call them directly, just like you could eat soup with a fork. Technically possible, but messy real quick. Here's why chat models make life easier. Reason 1. Consistency. Every LLM has its quirks, kind of like different phone chargers. LangChain smooths all that out, so you don't end up with a drawer full of API headaches. Reason 2. Easy switching. Let's say today you're using GPT-4, but tomorrow your wallet says, "Hey buddy, try something cheaper." With LangChain, swapping models is basically like changing the batteries in a TV remote. Fast, painless, no rewiring required.
This kind of explanation demonstrates adaptability, something interviewers love to hear.
Reason 3. Context management. Ever had a conversation where someone forgets what you said 2 minutes ago? Annoying, right? Chat models keep track of conversation history so your AI doesn't suddenly develop goldfish memory. Reason 4. Chaining. You can link multiple LLM calls together in a pipeline, like a relay race, but instead of sweaty athletes, you've got AI models passing data back and forth. Reason 5. Scalability. As your project grows, LangChain makes it easier to build more complex workflows. Instead of juggling APIs like a circus clown, you get to focus on making cool features.
Mentioning how LangChain helps scale AI systems can impress interviewers looking for systems thinking skills.
What we'll use? In this course, we'll mostly use OpenAI's chat models. Don't worry, the setup is super straightforward, and the docs even hold your hand through the process. And that's our crash course on chat models. Think of them as your translator, organizer, and babysitter for dealing with multiple LLMs. In the next section, we'll actually set one up and start chatting with OpenAI's APIs. Grab your popcorn, it's about to get interactive.